G'day folks, time to sort through some electronic junk. I've given up on the microwave I was playing with. I might include a little clip of it, but it's time to play with some televisions. Brad dropped this one and a very old, I think it's a Healing or something like that. Yeah it is, it's a Healing, whatever it is, got UHF on it. Very old. I think he said it was his grandmother's or something, and we had a look at it a while ago and just ended up leaving it in storage, and moisture's gotten to it, the cabinet's all swelled up, and yeah, it's trash and obsolete as well. So I've got this one here. It survived the little flash flood we had last night, which pretty much filled it up to there in water. It was just laying on its side. So we got it plugged in. Let's turn on the main breaker. Oops. Switch mode made a funny little noise and then stopped. It's getting there though. Red light just blinked a little bit. It's not happy. Funny colours up in the top corner and a bit of snowy nastiness. Yeah, it's a bit sad. Where's my insulated screwdriver? Even the OSD isn't green anymore, it's supposed to be green. Change the channel. Oh, water has done a real number on this one. There we go, changed colour again. Now it's green. That's one sad television. Wow, that's bad. Yeah, that's what happens when your TV goes through a flood. What's that? Colour, brightness. Turn the brightness right up. No, not even responding. There we go, maximum brightness. Turn the colour up a bit too. That's freaky. At least the on-screen display is green now. Well, that's boring. Wonder what happens if I do this. It's still working. Still alive. Oh, I'll unplug it before I touch it. Remember, these things aren't grounded. Alright, disgruntled flood damaged TV, take 2. The red standby light's on for once. Oh, I don't think I can restart it now. That sucks. I shouldn't have turned it off. There's water coming out of the front panel. Damn. It's not going to restart now. Alright, let's see if we're lucky the third time. I think the main board was dislodged, so the power switch wasn't even working. I like how the standby LED comes on nice and bright and then just flickers and dims out as something's pulling all the juice out of it. It means there's something horribly wrong. Yeah, she's not going to start up again. That's disappointing. Well, that's very disappointing. Oh, and so's that. Oh well. You just tore the neck clean off it. Oh, not much left of that one. Unfortunately there's no vacuum, but Mr. Flywheel needs a bit of a workout. That was alright. I've got to keep Flywheel happy. More crap for the bin. Alright, let's try this Healing, aka Rank Arena NEC television. It's pretty much all NEC components, marketed or made by Rank Arena / Healing Australia. Also flood damaged. It was sitting on its side and submersed. It wouldn't have hit the PCB, but it's definitely soaked, so it's just had water cascading down the board. All the wood soaked, so let's see what happens. I've cut the earth wire off it too, so the lights don't go out as soon as I turn it on. And it runs a isolating transformer inside as well, so it's a different style. Turn that down. There's no vertical. Horizontal's working. I think everything runs off 12 volts after that main isolating transformer. But yeah, I've completely lost the vertical scan. It'll probably come good once it dries out. It's old school. Even all the ICs in it are in sockets. You just pull the chips straight out. Now let's do something really mean and just hit it with a shot of condenser cleaner. This is mostly potassium hydroxide and water, so it's very conductive. That should do it. Don't try this at home, kids. This is very dangerous. Ooh, smoke. Ooh. Aww. It smells horrible. It smells like phenolic. I think it's dead. Let's give it some more condenser cleaner. Now one last try before I strip it. Ooh, there we go. Magic buzzing sound. Woo! Always wear safety glasses when you do something like this. Flying capacitors and bits of semiconductor can take your eyes out. Alright, the main breaker's reset again. Let's try that. And the breaker's off again. That's a lot of current transfer. Beautiful. It's going out straight away now. It's gone short. Yeah.